everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and I am doing a collaboration today. Her name is VDB Beauty and Confidence. I have known her for I think 2 weeks here on my channel. I think she stumbled around my channel first and then I checked out her channel just through her comment. I wanted to check her out and I really liked her content, but she has only been on YouTube for like 3 weeks now, so I got her as she was new too, and I will say you should check her out too. She is a wonderful woman and her channel is all about beauty and confidence. She only has 27 subs as this moment of right now I am filming, but hopefully at least a few of y'all, I'm hoping at least 13 of y'all will go over there and subscribe to her and check her out. She's really funny and she's like she's from Tennessee. She's got a great personality to her. She's a real southern woman and I just enjoy watching her. But yeah, so we decided to do a full face using only drugstore or affordable makeup, and this is the look I created using all my drugstore products. By the way, before I forget, I do have a Christmas giveaway going on my channel right now. It was uploaded November 25th and it is going to continue. That way you can enter all the way up to December 25th. Really like the 24th, because I will be announcing the winner on December 25th. So make sure you enter up before the 25th when I announce the winner. Yeah, all you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe on that giveaway video that was uploaded November 25th. It'll be listed down below in my description box, and it also will be at an end card, and I will also put a little note right here in the corner. That way you can easily check it out. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Keep on watching. Now let's get into the video. Alright, so the first product I'm going to start off with is this Wet n Wild foundation, and this is the color cream beige, which is a little too dark for me, but I made it work. Then I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Pressed Powder, and this is the color Warm Light, which helped out a lot. I'm using my Revolution Tropical Paradise palette, and here is the colors. The first color I'm going into is the Coconut Cream color, and I'm just setting my brow bone with that area. And then the second color is Perpy Perps, I think it's called. And I'm putting that on the outer corner. Then I'm going in with the Tropical color on the inner corner. Then I'm going in and I'm trying to blend the top, but I go back and forth with the colors and blend them out until they work well together. Then I'm going in with Midnight Stroll, and I'm putting it on the outer V and just making it work. And then I'm going to the LA Colors Conceal Correct to make a tacky base before going in with the color Treasure on like the center of my eyelid, but I do set it with setting spray. It's the Physicians Formula Instant Ready setting spray. And then I'm going to clean up my fallout with the Pacifica Essential Makeup Removing Towelettes. This is the Jasmine and Coconut Water ones. And I didn't show you the glue, but I was using the Duo glue, and I used my Kiss lashes. Then I actually set my face with the Wet n Wild foundation and the Wet n Wild pressed powder. And then I'm going to bronze up my face with my Physicians Formula Bronze Booster, and this is the color Light to Medium. And then I'm going to use my Revolution blush palette, and I'm using that coral, like a deep coral color for my blush, and then the second highlight color in that same palette, which gives a purpley pink color to it. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really beautiful. Then I'm going in with my LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil which I actually ran out of in this video. And I'm going to use the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Love this mascara. And I'm using some more of that Treasure color from the Revolution Tropical palette. And I'm putting it under my eye just to give it a little bit more of a smoky effect. It looks great with blue eyes. And then I'm going in with the ColourPop What's Your Sign Lippy. Then I'm going back in with the Physician Formula setting spray, and that's about it. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to check out VDB Beauty and Confidence. Like I said before, she has 27 subs at this moment right now I am recording, and I'm hoping that she can get a few of my viewers to go check her out. And if you do go check her out, please tell her Valerie Dison sent you. She has been putting out great content way over 3 weeks now, more like 2 months pretty much now. She is a Southern Tennessee woman, and I wanted just to help support her, and we have been connected here on YouTube for over 2 weeks now, and we've been just having a blast watching each other. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this full face, only drugstore or affordable makeup. And don't forget about my giveaway that was posted November 25th. And all you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe on that video, but it does really greatly increase your chances of winning the more you comment on my future and past videos. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time, buddies. Bye!